In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check live exchange rates and fees in Monzo for spending and international transfers. If you're planning to send money abroad or use your card on a trip, Monzo makes it straightforward to see exactly what you'll get and what it will cost before you proceed. Let's walk through how it works so you can feel confident about your rate and avoid surprises. First, open the Monzo app and head to the Transfer Internationally feature. This is where you can view live exchange rates for transfers. The rate you see updates in real time, reflecting current market conditions, so you're not guessing or relying on outdated numbers. You'll typically see both the amount you're sending and the amount the recipient will receive, which makes it easy to sanity check your expectations. Think of this screen as your preview. It shows the current conversion and gives you clarity before you even consider confirming anything. When you're ready to explore an actual transfer, type in the amount you want to send. You can enter it in your currency or the recipient's currency, and the app will instantly recalculate the other side. Right there, Monzo displays the live exchange rate and any fees up front. This transparency is the whole point. You'll know the exact cost and the exact delivery amount before you continue. If the numbers aren't what you need, simply adjust the amount and watch the totals update. Keep in mind that exchange rates can move throughout the day, so the final rate is locked in when you proceed, not when you start typing. Now, for spending abroad with your Monzo card, it's even simpler. Monzo uses the MasterCard exchange rate with no added fees for card purchases in foreign currencies. That means the conversion happens at the MasterCard rate at the time your transaction is processed, and you're not paying a markup from Monzo on top. In your feed, you'll see the transaction in the local currency alongside your home currency, so you can track what you actually spent. This approach is designed to be clean and predictable, especially useful if you're budgeting for a trip and want to avoid hidden charges. To recap, use the Transfer Internationally feature to check live rates, then input the amount you want to send to see the rate and any fees up front. And when you're spending abroad with your card, Monzo relies on the MasterCard exchange rate without charging extra fees. With these tools, you can plan confidently, compare options in real time, and make informed decisions before you confirm.